Experience the future of gaming and productivity with the Razer Blade 14 2023 series laptop. It's not just a laptop, it's a masterpiece of engineering. Precision milled from a single aluminum block, this laptop achieves the perfect balance between strength and weight. The Blade 14 delivers a 33% graphics power boost compared to the previous generation, play at higher frames with incredible visual fidelity, all while staying on the move. Powered by the latest AMD Zen4 architecture and AI enhancements, this laptop handles everything. Dense workloads, demanding games, and daily tasks with ease. Elevate your gaming experience with the higher pixel density, faster refresh rate, and lower response time. Gaming on the go has never been this smooth and immersive. Operating at 16% higher frequency speeds, this laptop's dual memory slots support up to 64GB, ensuring you never run out of memory for your tasks. With a larger 68.1 watt-hour battery and better power efficiency, this laptop is designed for the long game. Plus, it quickly charges to 80% in just 1 hour via a 100-watt USB Type-C charging cable. The enhanced vapor chamber solution keeps your components cool. Don't miss out on the latest in gaming and tech. Subscribe to our channel now and level up your experience with the Razer Blade 14 2023 series laptop.